Hello juniors! In this video you are going to learn how to register for classes for senior year online using our online registration system in the source. So to get started, you're going to log into your source account. Please make sure you're logging into your student source account, not a parent account, in order to access this system. So once you log into the source, you'll see from these tabs on the left, there will be a tab down here at the bottom that says class registration. You're not seeing it on my screen because this is just a demo page, but from your live student account, you'll see a tab that says class registration. You will click that tab and then that will bring you to this screen you see right here. So everything on this screen is, the instructions are at the top. You've got all of your course choices below, separated out by subject area. You'll notice off to the right here, anything with a red exclamation point means that you have to choose a course in that subject area. So language arts, for example, you have to take senior English next year. Anything with a green check mark next to it means you don't have to choose a class in that subject area. So math, for example, only 3 years of math are required for graduation. Of course, we recommend you take 4, but you don't have to choose a math class if you've already met that grad requirement. So you'll notice that for seniors, quite a few of these icons are green because our hope is that you're on track to graduate, and really the only required core courses are going to be English and social studies, but that's what those icons mean. So the system will not let you move forward unless you've selected a course from a required area. Okay, and then you'll see down here at the bottom the credit total appears down here. So you must request at least 6 credits, so 6 classes, and the system will not let you submit your request if you are requesting more than 6 credits or fewer than 6 credits. So if you get tripped up and the system won't let you submit your request, double check down here that the number of credit hours you are requesting totals 6 exactly. It will not let you move on otherwise. All right, so I'm going to kind of walk through this and model what it looks like for you. So assuming I'm a current junior, I'm going to go through subject by subject and choose my classes for next year. So for English, to see my options, I'm going to click this pencil icon right here, and I can choose from between AP Lit or regular LA12. So I'm going to choose just regular LA12 for next year. And please make sure that you're choosing both A and B of a course. So A is the fall semester, B is the spring semester. So please make sure you're selecting both semesters when you make your choice. And then I'm going to click OK. And both of the courses I have chosen appear right here. Moving on to math. I'm done with my math requirement, but I'm wanting to take another one for senior year for college. I'm going to click the pencil icon again. My options show up on this screen. You'll notice that they are listed alphabetically here. So I heard about a class called Math in Society. I think that's what I want to take next year. Let me see. I've got pre-cal. There it is. So Math in Society, I want to take semester 1 and semester 2. I hit OK. Those courses have been added. So you'll notice as you move through, so if we go back to that credit total at the bottom, I'm at 2 credits. So if you want to check where you're at with your progress, you can always scroll to your credit total at the bottom. For social studies, government is the required senior year social studies course. So you have the option between either year-long AP government or semester-long regular. I am signing up for semester-long gov. That's a 0.5 credit. So again, we'll see down here, I'm at 2.5 credits total. I still need to sign up for 3.5 more credits. So this is where you'll have the chance to get creative depending on what you need for graduation and what you're interested in taking. You have quite a bit of flexibility here with electives. So I'm going to start with going to science, and I'm interested in taking marine science next year. Let's see if that's on page 2. There it is. So marine science, again, semester 1 as well as semester 2. Registered for that course. This science alternate box, this is an option for you if you'd like to choose an alternate in case you don't get your first choice. So for example, if I did not get marine science, would I be okay taking astronomy, forensics, any other science course? You could choose an alternate right here. All right, for world language, I am currently taking Spanish 2. I want to continue with a 3rd year of Spanish, so I'm going to find Spanish 3 from my choices here and select semester A and semester B. Chosen my Spanish class for next year. And then for my remaining electives, I know I still need some art and PE to graduate, so I'm going to go to my art choices. So year-long art electives are right here, year-long CTE. PE courses are in this category, fine art and CTE here and here. So I'm going to start maybe with PE. I know I need some art, but I also am interested in taking weight training. So I'm going to select weight training for my PE course. For CTE, let me see what art classes are available. I'll maybe come back to that. Okay, for my art options, I think I want to take guitar senior year. So I'll choose guitar. And then let's check my credit total. Okay, so I'm at 5.5 credits, so I just need one more 0.5 semester class. So I'm going to see if there's any CAD classes available because I've heard some good things about that class. This is my last year to take it. All right, so I've got my 6 credits down here at the bottom. You'll notice though that I still have one more area where I need to choose courses, and this is the alternate electives. So these courses do not get counted towards your credit total, but we do require you to choose at least 4 alternates so that we have a backup plan if you can't get into your first choice of your elective classes. So I'm going to click the pencil here to choose some of my alternate electives. So I'll choose maybe auto in case I don't get into CAD. I'll do ceramics if I don't get into guitar. Let's see what else I can choose from here. I'll maybe try independent living senior year, could be fun. And then I will also maybe try out, I guess I'd be fine with piano too for music class. Okay, so I've got 4 alternates chosen here. All of my icons on the right are green and ready to go. Again, this won't show on my screen, but at the very bottom here, you'll see a button that says submit, and you click that button and your course request will go through. So please take note, once you submit, you cannot go back. So good idea to spend some time thinking about which classes you really want to sign up for. Talk to friends, talk to teachers, choose them carefully, because once you've submitted them in our system, you cannot go back and make changes on your own. You would need to contact your counselor if you wanted to make any changes. So please make sure you're making your choices carefully, and good luck.